In this video, I'll show you how to add and remove hidden sections in your WooCommerce shop page using Elementor. You'll see I have my shop page up right here, and it's got this big welcome banner. I use Placeit to display my products, and then you have some products here, and then you have another banner here. And when you go to the second page, those banners would normally show up again, but they didn't. They disappeared. And then I just have this header that suddenly appeared in its place. So what you can do to get these things to appear and reappear is to add a certain class to the sections that you want to change. And then you use JavaScript to call that class to set the class to display none. And I will pull up my shop page to show you what I mean. Templates, Theme Builder, Elementor Pro. Edit with Elementor. Okay, you'll see this whole section I want to disappear on page 2. So I add the class to the section. So I click on the section, Advanced, and then the class I made up was class that can hide. Okay, I added it to this section, and I added it to this section. And I believe I also added it to these featured products as well. Let me just look. No. So I added it here and I added it here. And you'll see that my JavaScript says if you name it class that can hide, it will go through and it'll display none if the page number is greater than 1. Okay? And then the other one you can't even verify, but the other one you add the class remove page 1 shop. That means remove it for page 1 and then display it on all subsequent pages. And I added that at the element level for the header because it actually exists in this section right here. And so I had to instead of adding it to the section, you can add it to the element or to the header element, and then it'll still work just the same. If I go to preview, and we'll confirm this real quick. All right, so I right click, inspect, and let's go to the section. Where's this section? Here it is right here. Nope, that's section wrap. Here it is. Sure enough, the banner has the class that can hide. It's not doing anything until that JavaScript says, oh, you're on page 2, and then it sets this class to none. And then let me go to page 2. And then I will inspect this element. And again, I didn't add it to the section, I added it to the actual element itself. And let's see if we can confirm that. Here it is right here. Class remove page 1 shop. So we know that the widget, it's just below the widget wrap, but nonetheless, it's going to look for that, and then it's going to remove it in page 1 and add it to all of the other pages. So I will leave a link in the video description to a snippet that you can copy and paste, or you can pause the video and make the screen large or whatever and change this however you want. But I left a little comment here for each section, And I thought that that was pretty helpful because it allows you to customize your shop a little bit more. It just makes it just a little more original, a little more, you know, customized. So I thought that was a pretty neat way that you can add and remove elements from the different paginations of your shop. And check out the video description if you want your site to look nicer with these mock-up photos. Placeit, great service. If you go for a whole year, you get, a huge discount. It's like $8 a month. So I'd highly recommend you check that out. And thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for more print on demand videos.